The following video will go through how to install HOS tools from the Marketplace on MyGeotab. You'll first want to click on Marketplace on the left-hand side panel. Then in the search bar, you're going to want to search up HOS. Then you'll click on the tool that you want to install. For this example, we will install the HOS driver summary. Once this page pops up, click on Install. Click on I acknowledge, and then click Next. And click on I accept these terms, and click Install Add-on. Now that the app is installed, we can navigate back to our MyGeotab page and go to Compliance, and we can see the HOS driver summary that we have just installed has been uploaded onto our MyGeotab.